Let's see, Obi. Go ahead and unmute.
So, this Jackie Robinson book that my mom read me, and these are the pictures that Mom took a picture of. Jackie Robinson was born on January 31st, 1919 in Cairo, Georgia. He was named after President Theodore Roosevelt. Jackie, his mom, and siblings moved to California when he was a baby for a better life. But they still experience racism. Jackie Robinson loves sports and was very good at them. He earned a scholarship from UCLA in 1942. Jackie joined the army. Still shortly after, he was put on trial for refusing to move to the back of the bus. After the trial ended, Jackie left the military in 1945. Jackie joined the Kansas City Monarchs, a professional baseball team for black players. They used broken equipment and got a little pay. Branch Rickey, the president of the Brooklyn Dodgers, wanted to integrate the team and asked Jackie to join the team. On April 15, 1947, Jackie became the first black major league baseball player. Although not easy, Jackie did not want to quit. He knew it was important to break the color barrier. Jackie soon joined the civil rights movement and went alongside of Martin Luther King Jr. In 1972, Jackie was invited to throw the first pitch at the World Series. He died shortly after. Jackie Robinson is an important part of history because he paved the way for countless others. And there is
Let us see that. First of all,
Yeah,
great
it's like a
job.
mini stadium.
You can pick
Let's
it up.
see that. Oh my
Bring it
god.
closer.
Okay. And oh, that's so neat. Wow.
Okay.
that is
You can probably see my stadium. Here it's a little like tour. Here's a little tour for this.
Like on a tour.
Okay, so this is all of these Jackie Robinsons, a timeline, and this is the like timeline where Jackie Robinson like died, and there's the little like people that play baseball, and here's the little people waiting for like the ball, and it has to hit all the way here to the letter, and there is the letter B. As you can see, Jackie right here, and the 42, like the 42. And also, there's like a bunch of little peoples.
Do you want to read that one over there? What does that one say?
It says, Jackie,
Read the number.
2022. Jackie Robinson Field in Compton opens where I play t-ball. This is where I play t-ball. This is me and my friend Brother Rex. And this was me when I was like Obi-Wan Kenobi.
That's where you play baseball?
Yeah, at Compton.
It's in the city of Compton. That is so awesome. I didn't know they had a field name after him. That is really incredible.
Thank you.
Really incredible. Wow.
And
How did you think of this baseball? That's so great.
so yesterday we were thinking of something that it would be really cool of something.
You need to tell her how you got the book first.
Okay, so here's how I got this book. I got this at my Dodger Stadium, and I wanted to trade this for my project, and it was so cool. I wanted to keep it forever and read it.
That's awesome.
Yeah,
You got that at Dodger Stadium?
yeah. That's when he was a kid, and he was like he says, I am Jackie Robinson.
We can't read the book, buddy, because there's other people that are going to go too, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Once you show it.
Yeah.
Robinson. Oh, that's great. That's great. You had a couple
Yeah.
books that you read, huh? Really neat.
Yeah, I read a few, but if you get one of these Jackie Robinson books from my Dodger Stadium, it'll be so cool, and you can read it forever.
Great. And so, the field you play at is called Jackie Robinson Field now?
Yeah.
That's really neat. How
Yeah.
fun. That's really special.
Well, this is my Dodgers, and
Uh-huh.
then
It says
That
Jackie
is
Robinson.
fantastic, Obi.
it says Jackie Robinson right here.
Oh, that's really 75 years. Oh, that's really special.
Yeah,
Really
that is so special of Jackie Robinson.
It is very special. Well, Obi, you did a great job over and beyond. Let's give
Thank
Obi
you.
a firecracker. I like how you connected it to your real life too. Everyone ready? Ready? Let's go. Ah, very nice. Okay, do we have some compliments? Things that you saw that you liked. Mason.
I really like that field. How did you build it?
Well, we use it out of cardboard. So we use this fuel out of cardboard, and we use this bead so it can be for a Jackie Robinson. So we use all of these items, and these are the materials that we did. And there's like a little guy right here waiting for the ball.
That's awesome. I like it too. It's really creative. Great job. Okay, someone else have a compliment they'd like to say? Something they liked? Derek.
I like the baseball stadium. I like the stadium so much.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
That's a keepsake, Obi. I mean, you could really keep that in your room. That's an awesome keepsake.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really, really cool. Anyone else have something they'd like to say? You did a great job. I like that you had showed us 2 books too. It's fun you got this book and then your mom read you the other book too. Tristan, do you have something you'd say?
Yeah.
What would you like to tell Obi?
It looks cool.
Yes, it really does look cool. Yeah.
Thank you.
I like how you did the timeline like that too. That's really creative. And I just can't believe that it connects to where you play. That's so awesome.
Yeah.
I love that you did that.
Thank you.
Great job, Obi.